Register for Dr. Nature Wellness 3rd Anniversary event in 7 easy steps. Visit www.drnaturewellness.com. Click on the Register Now button located in the banner image. Once clicked, a registration form will open up. Select whether you are attending the event as a guest or an associate. Fill in appropriate reference or distributor ID and the name of your personal DNW associate, your name, whichever is applicable. That means, if you are attending as an associate, type in your distributor ID and your name. But if you are attending as a guest, fill in with the distributor ID of the person who has referred you to the event. Step 5. Provide your personal details including your phone number, state, and PIN code. Step 6. Specify the number of seats you would like to book. The final payable amount will be calculated accordingly. Click on Register and proceed to make the payment. Once the payment gateway is opened, select your preferred mode of payment and proceed. And that's it. Congratulations, you are now officially registered for the biggest event of the year. Get ready to celebrate with us at DNW 3rd Anniversary event.